Hi, my name is Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Ryobi leaf blower. This Ryobi leaf blower is 40 volt and is cordless, which makes it easy to get around the yard. And it's so powerful that it really gets the dirt, the heavier items, the leaves, the smaller twigs, and it has different settings, the higher and lower speed, and of course your turbo button where you can get the highest speed. It's very powerful and works so great. It's not so heavy that you're gonna wear out so long. I know with this Ryobi leaf blower, it can last for a solid hour if it's at a complete charge. And it's also not killing my ears. I can use this leaf blower and it's not so loud that it really bothers me over a long period of time. It makes life so much easier to not sweep, to be able to use this leaf blower on the debris, the falling flowers, petals, leaves, whatever yard work you're doing, grass, and it just cuts down the time and it really works great, and I just love the end result. And that's my point of view.